Hey guys, back in another video. Today is part 1 of how to clean your Shark Navigator series. Alright, so we're just going to start taking it apart. So yeah, these tabs, pop them off like you normally would into the machine and dump out any dirt that's in here, and yeah, should be it. Just dump the dirt out for this and clean it, but we'll get to that in part 2. And then these filters, you'll take these out. I just got this shark from Goodwill and it's horrible. So take the 2 filters out and make sure it looks clean down there. I'm gonna buy a new hose for this one day, but they're usually about $24 on Amazon. So yeah, and then take your hose off. They're down here. You can pop the hose off. Maybe a little stiff if it's particularly dirty like this one. And there, that hose comes off. Check if there's any holes on it. This one looks fine. And then pop this main motor unit off. Oh, that is greasy. Alright, so there's main disassembly. Oh, that is so disgusting. Yeah, so yeah, this is part 1. Part 2 will come out later, and it'll be just me cleaning it down.